guys, it's Karen Jean from Ex Libris Crafts, and what I'm going to do today is organize my ribbon. I have a ton of it, and then maybe I'll get to the stamp pads because I have a bunch of Simon Hurleys I just bought that I want to get in there as well. The craft room is coming along. Let's see how this goes. I need to go find more ribbon because I'm missing some. Okay, let's have some fun. Hi there, it's me doing voiceover. I'm just separating them by color group, not in rainbow order, just by color group. I have the most purple over all other colors, and then as you can see, I encountered some problems with them. The fun keeps on continuing. As you can see, they're falling. So maybe these are curtain rods, obviously. And I saw this on somebody else's craft room tour, and I thought, what a great, inexpensive way for ribbon. I got them at Walmart. They were 94 cents a piece, but maybe I should have gotten ones that are a little bit wider. The one that is on my window, I think, is 3 inches, and that's too wide because these fall through. I think I saw where they fell through. Well, no, they don't fall through. That might have been a bit better. They sit more in it than they're doing on it. But we're just going to continue on. Sorry if you're getting a lot of my back. So I'm just fast forwarding again. On the top bar, I'm putting white, black, and neutrals. On the second bar down, which is the longest bar, I'm putting the pinks and the purples, and then the greens and the yellows, and on the bottom, the blues and the specialty ones. As you can see, I was still having trouble with them falling, but I am going to continue with these curtain rods, and if I still have problems, then I will go and get 3-inch curtain rods and replace them out. And here is the end product with the ribbon and the inks organized. As you can see, I was able to get some of the long spools of rhinestones on there. A couple of spools of lace. Most of my lace is off spool and in a drawer. And there's the ribbon. Also, the ink pads, the black ones on the right are Simon Hurley. I did a video of that, but it was boring, so I decided not to post that. But as you can see, I have them labeled SH for Simon Hurley, and then the title. What I haven't done yet is I'm also going to put a color dot on there so I can see what color they are. As you can see with the Distress Oxides, you can actually print those off online. I wonder if you could do the same with Simon Hurley after I did all that. I'll have to look into that. But anyway, backing up. Again, the ribbon is in color order, not necessarily rainbow order, just color order. Neutrals on the top, pinks and purples and reds, greens, although that is a silver black over there of rhinestones because I didn't have room up top. And on the bottom, the blues, and the specialty ones on the bottom left. Mickey Mouse, Autumn, Cat in the Hat. So there we go. We're only limited by our imaginations. Let yours run wild. Thanks for stopping by.